Hello students, today we all learn about the next chapter, diversity in living organism. We all observe our surrounding, different types of living organisms. Some are long, some are short, some are green, some are yellow, some are black, some are white. These are various differences are present our surrounding in living organisms. Today the chapter is the diversity in living organism. The diversity in living organism. Diversity in living organism. Here we clear that what is means of diversity. Means of diversity. Diversity means different forms of living organism. Different forms, anything, and when the term connected biodiversity, biodiversity means the differences or variations which are found in the living organism is known as biodiversity. Next, the taxonomy. Taxonomy. It is a branch of biology. It is a branch of biology which deals classification. Taxonomy, taxos and nomos, two words, made up of two words. Taxos means arrange and nomos means animal. So arrangements of living organism is known as taxonomy. The father of taxonomy is known as the Carolus Linnaeus. The Carolus Linnaeus first, whose classified organism into the various group clearly. Classification. Classification is the process in which different organisms are classified or divided into groups and subgroups. Groups and subgroups based on the similarities and dissimilarities. This is known as classification. Basis of classification. Basis of classification. What basis are used for the classifying of the organism? हम कौन से बेस हैं, कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं जिसका यूज करते हैं, जो एनिमल्स हैं या ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं उनको अलग अलग ग्रुप में रखने की क्या पैरामीटर्स हम यूज करते हैं कि इनको एक ग्रुप में रखें, इनको इस ग्रुप में रखें, इनको इस ग्रुप में रखें. तो सम पैरामीटर्स विच आर यूज फॉर द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म इज एज नंबर 1 mode of nutrition, mode of nutrition means the organism are two categories, autotrophic and heterotrophic, and those organisms which are synthesize own food kept in the autotrophic categories, and those which cannot synthesize their food in the heterotrophic categories. This is the first basis. Second, habitat. Habitat is the second parameters. Habitat means वास स्थान, कोई भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म कहां पे रहता है. Different types of habitats: aquatic, terrestrial, aerial, arboreal, xerophytic. So based on this habitats, we kept the organism in the specific categories or groups. Next, body organization. बॉडी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मीन्स जो ऑर्गेनिज्म है जिसको हम क्लासिफाइड कर रहे हैं उसकी बॉडी किस लेवल की है, सेल लेवल की है, टिश्यू लेवल की है या ऑर्गन लेवल की है. इट द पैरामीटर्स विच आर यूज फॉर द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म. एंड नेक्स्ट इज बॉडी सिमेट्री. Body symmetry, it is the parameters which are used for the classification. Classification of organism. Next, shape, size, also other factors which are used as the parameters for the classification of organism. Next, taxa. Taxa. The each unit of classification is known as taxa. क्लासिफिकेशन के लिए एक जो यूनिट यूज होती है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, टैक्सा. और नेक्स्ट है टैक्सोनॉमिक हायरार्की. टैक्सोनॉमिक हायरार्की. Taxonomic hierarchy, it is the framework in which the different taxas are arranged in the specific pattern. Taxonomic hierarchy क्या है? It is the framework, वह framework जिसमें different taxa को एक specific pattern पर अरेंज करते हैं. दिस इज नोन एज टैक्सोनॉमिक हायरार्की. फॉर एग्जाम्पल kingdom, phylum, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, class, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. These are the taxonomic hierarchy. It is the framework in which different taxa are arranged, and each unit of taxonomic hierarchy is known as taxa. And completely taxonomic hierarchy. Taxonomic hierarchy is the framework in which different taxa are arranged in the specific pattern. And what is taxa? Each unit of the taxonomic hierarchy is known as the taxa or taxon. Next, the nomenclature system. Nomenclature system. What is the nomenclature system? The naming of organism is known as nomenclature. Nomenclature system or binomial nomenclature system. This system was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus. This system is proposed by Carolus Linnaeus in his book Systema Naturae. Carolus Linnaeus says that all organisms of the earth provided a scientific name. The scientific name is made up of two components. The first is a genus. And second is a species. Both are mixed form known as scientific name. When we have written the scientific name, the genus written start with capital letters, where species start written as small letters. It is known as binomial nomenclature system or nomenclature system. For example, the scientific name of mango is mango का साइंटिफिक नेम क्या है? मैंजीफेरा इंडिका. मैंजीफेरा इंडिका. Here is the mangy is the genus and indica is the species. The scientific name of human, Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens. Homo is the genus. Sapiens is the species. It is the pattern by which writes the scientific name of any organism and known as nomenclature system. Who proposed nomenclature system? Name the scientist who proposed nomenclature system first of all. Carolus Linnaeus. Name the book of Carolus Linnaeus. Systema Naturae. The living words are classified as living word, living words, are first of all prokaryotes, eukaryotes. The prokaryotes, one kingdoms, one groups, Monera. Monera, all bacteria and cyanobacteria examples. Eukaryotes, पहला है विद सेल वॉल, विद सेल वॉल एंड विदाउट सेल वॉल, विदाउट सेल वॉल. विद सेल वॉल, टू ग्रुप्स, फंगी एंड प्लांटी. Fungi is the heterotrophic. It cannot synthesize own foods. It has no chlorophyll. The plant is, it composes chlorophyll and synthesize own foods. And second, without cell wall. The without cell wall is animal. It is the general classification of living words.